Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to share some powerful affirmations that have really helped me transform my life. We're going to explore a hidden method that could change yours too. So be ready to repeat these affirmations with us and see the difference they can make. Let's look in and start opening up their potential together. Every day, in every way, I am becoming better, stronger, and more confident in my abilities. I possess the qualities needed to be extremely successful, and I believe in my capacity to achieve great things. Challenges are opportunities to grow and improve, and I embrace them with open arms. I am worthy of my dreams and deserve to achieve everything I work towards with dedication. With every breath I take, I am bringing more peace and alignment into my life. I trust the journey of my life to unfold in perfect timing. I am exactly where I need to be. I am a magnet for abundance and prosperity. Wealth flows to me from multiple sources. Every cell in my body vibrates with energy and health. I am grateful for the vitality that fills my being. I am a powerhouse. I am indestructible, and resilience is built into the very fibers of my existence. With each day, I am learning more about myself and appreciating my unique journey. I am open to all the wealth life offers me. My actions create constant prosperity. I am the architect of my fate. I build its foundation and choose its contents. Today, I claim my power and move beyond the limitations others have placed on me. My mind is clear, focused, and sharp, and every challenge becomes a doorway to new opportunities. My heart is a beacon of love and compassion. I naturally attract the same. I am a creator of peace in my mind, and my calm extends beyond me into the world. Every situation is a chance to grow and learn. I adapt and evolve with every experience. My life is a series of successful moments, each leading to the next. Success is in my nature. Gratitude is a sacred state of being that brings more blessings into my life. I am fearless in the pursuit of what sets my soul on fire. I follow my passions relentlessly. I am a vessel of peace and tranquility, bringing calm and harmony to the world around me. I attract loving and caring people into my life. I am a magnet for positive relationships. Every step I take is a step towards greatness, and every day brings me closer to my ultimate goals. I am a beacon of love and acceptance, radiating positivity wherever I go. My dreams manifest into reality before my eyes as I align more closely with my soul's purpose. I welcome abundance in all its forms into my life. I am prepared to receive wealth, health, and joy. My body is healthy, my mind is brilliant, my soul is tranquil. I possess the courage to make unimaginable leaps into the unknown and thrive in new environments. I am the commander of my life. I control my destiny and the outcomes of my efforts. My intuition is a compass, always guiding me in the right direction for my personal growth. Every day, I discover interesting and exciting new paths to pursue. I am a positive being, aware of my potential. I let go of fear and embrace love. I am connected with the wisdom of the universe, and this wisdom guides me in everything I do. Every interaction is an opportunity to learn and grow, and I approach each one with an open heart. I am blessed with an incredible family and wonderful friends who support and uplift me. My potential to succeed is infinite. I am able to achieve more than I ever imagined. I actively embrace the rhythm and the fluctuations of life, knowing that each phase helps me grow. I am deeply focused on achieving my goals, and my determination sees me through. I am a force of nature, capable of bending reality to my will and achieving even my wildest dreams. Joy is my natural state, and I discover it anew in every moment of my life. I am a living, breathing example of motivation and determination, inspiring those around me. My mind is filled with healthy, positive, and loving thoughts that reflect in my life experience. I am attuned to the needs of my soul and nourish it daily with acts of self-care. I am surrounded by abundance and rejoice in the plenty that life has to offer. Every challenge I face is an opportunity to grow and excel, and I tackle them with confidence. I am in tune with my inner wisdom and trust it to lead me on the right path. My life is full of love and joy, which I share abundantly with others. I accept myself unconditionally and with kindness, knowing that I am doing my best. I am a perpetual generator of positivity and spread it effortlessly wherever I go. Every moment is infused with the potential for success and happiness, and I seize them eagerly. I embrace change as my ally and recognize it as a pathway to growth and enlightenment. I trust in the process of life and know that everything is working for my highest good. I am committed to personal growth and welcome new experiences that stretch and refine me. My life is a reflection of the peace and harmony I cultivate within myself. I release all doubts and hold space for certainty and faith in my abilities. I am a radiant and joyful presence. My happiness uplifts those around me. Every action I take is infused with clarity and purpose, moving me closer to my goals. I am endlessly resilient, bouncing back from adversity with greater strength and wisdom. My spirit is grounded in deep peace, and this tranquility permeates all aspects of my life. I attract opportunities that lead to an abundance of success and fulfillment. I am a unique expression of the divine, and I honor my role in the universe. My thoughts create a reality filled with beauty, love, and abundance. I give and receive love effortlessly and unconditionally, enriching my relationships. I am connected to an endless supply of creativity, tapping into innovative ideas and solutions. I honor my body as the temple that houses my spirit, nurturing it with care and respect. I am guided by a deep inner wisdom that intuitively knows the right paths for me. I manifest success by aligning my intentions with diligent action and unshakable belief. I embrace my journey, knowing each step is a part of my divine blueprint. My presence is a source of confidence and inspiration for others. I am attuned to the abundance and bounty of the universe, which I readily attract. I choose to see challenges as stepping stones to my evolution and embrace the lessons they teach. I am a masterpiece of my own creation, constantly evolving into a greater version of myself. I foster peace and love in my interactions, which reflect back to me in kind. I am blessed with an inner calm that sustains me through all of life's fluctuations. I recognize my own self-worth and confidently assert boundaries that honor my needs. I am a vibrant channel for peace and positivity, impacting the world positively. Every morning, I wake up with a heart full of gratitude for the blessings in my life. I live each day with intention and purpose, making meaningful contributions to the world. I am a beacon of light and hope, a source of comfort and inspiration to others. My mind is an abundant source of brilliant ideas that I bring to life with enthusiasm. I am deeply connected to the earth and all living things, contributing to our mutual healing. I celebrate each victory, no matter how small, recognizing my progress and perseverance. I am fearless in the pursuit of what sets my soul on fire, trusting the universe to guide my way. My heart is an endless ocean of love, washing over every soul I encounter. I thrive under pressure, transforming every stressful situation into a triumph. I am committed to a life of authenticity, embracing my true self without reservation. My actions are powerful and deliberate, steering my life's course with precision. I am a catalyst for change, embracing my power to make a significant impact. I value my intuition as my most reliable guide, leading me toward my personal truth. Every night, I rest in complete peace, knowing I have lived my day to the fullest. These affirmations are powerful tools for personal transformation. Repeat them daily to see positive changes in your life. If this resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more inspirational content. Thanks for watching.